Good morning, children. Children, this is a third session of maths, and in this session, children, we are going to learn about the estimating sum. Children, we have already learned about the numbers, four-digit numbers, how to add four-digit numbers, how to add numbers with carrying, how to add numbers without carrying. So today we are going to learn how to estimate the sum. Okay, so children, here a shopkeeper sold 59 items on the first day and 74 items on the second day. Okay, children, so here a shopkeeper is there who sold 59 items one day and 74 items in the second day. So his friends ask that how many items did he sell? The shopkeeper says around 130. So children, this is not the exact sum, okay, but it gives an idea of total number of items sold. Okay, the exact number is 133. So 130 is very close to 133. That means we add those numbers, then the sum is 133, but the uh, shopkeeper told his friend about 130. So this 130, it is very close to 133, or it is nearest to 133. So 130 is called the estimated sum. So when we want any estimated sum, we round off both the numbers to the nearest tens and then added them. Sometimes we don't know the exact value or the exact number, that how many numbers we are, how many numbers sold, or anything else like that. Then we need to round about the idea of the number. So when we don't know any exact value and we just say the value which is nearest to the exact value, this is known as estimated sum. Okay, so let's on move on to exercise 3.9, children. Round the following numbers to nearest 10. Okay, so children, in your previous class, you have learned about the numbers to round off the numbers to nearest 10, round off the numbers to nearest 100. So in this number, same is here. Here we are going to round off the numbers to nearest 10. That means what we have to do? 267 is nearly equal to. Okay, so you know that, children, how to write. First we'll write, if the number is at one's place is more than 5, then we write here 0 at one's place and then we add 10. Okay, so that means we're going to write 260 because 7 is removed, and we'll write 0 over here and then we'll add over here 10. So what it will become? 270. Okay, so the nearest 10 is equal to 270. Okay, so here also, if we want to add again same number, nearest 10, then again same method will be applied. 548, so we did make 8 0 and then we add 10 over here, so it will become 550. Okay, so similarly do all these sums. Okay, then we'll move to estimate these sums by rounding to nearest 10. So 232 plus 151. So what is the number over here? So right here, first we'll do the rounding off. So 232 it becomes, because when a number is below, at one's place is below 5, then we write 0 at one's place. Okay, so this is one's place, we'll write 0 over here, so it becomes 230, and again plus 151, again 1 is below than 5, then we write again 0 over here, so we'll get 150. Okay, so add these numbers: 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 3 8, 1 plus 2 3. So the estimated sum is 380. Okay. Let's do the other example again. So 136 plus 249. So we have to estimate and then write the answer. Okay. So above 5, it means we are going to write here 0 and we'll add 10 over here. So 130 plus 10. So it becomes 10 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 1, 4 and 1. So 140. Okay. And plus 249, again 9 is above than 5, so we write here 0 and we'll add over here 10. So 240 plus 10. So what is the number? 0 plus 0, 4, 1 plus 1, 5 and 2, 250. Okay, then we add both these numbers. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 390. So this is the nearest 10. Okay, so do all these sums in this way. Now rounding off numbers with near about 100. Then what we'll do in 100? Instead of adding the 10, we'll write 100 over here. Then estimated the sum by rounding to nearest 100, like 348 plus 219. So we'll get here 300 plus 300 and we'll get here 600. Okay. So children, do all these sums in your copy. Okay. Addition facts, children. Now we'll move on to addition facts. So what are these facts? So children, see here, fact number 1. 31 plus 25 will get 56. Again here, 25 plus 31 will get 56. So children, if we add 31 plus 25, then we'll get 56. Either we add 25 plus 31, we'll get same number. Okay. So if we change the position of the numbers or we change the order of the number, the total sum will be same. So there is no change in the total sum. Okay. So by changing the position or by changing the order of the number, the sum will never change. Sum will remain the same. Okay. Whether either we write 31 plus 25 or either we write 25 plus 31. Okay. See here also in this, children. Now see, 231 plus 125, it becomes 356. Then again we write 125 at the top and 231 below. Okay, again we'll get 356. So there is no change in the total sum, it is remaining same. Okay, so whether we write above 231 or above 125. Got it, children? Then we'll move on to same. Okay, if we are having a plus b, or then we can write a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, now this property is known as commutative property of addition. Okay, what does this property called? Commutative property of addition. Okay, then fact number 2, children. Okay, see this one, 21 plus 0, 21. Okay, then again 0 plus 21, 21. So I told you earlier also, children, many times I told you that any number which is added to 0, the number will remain the same. Okay, then any number which is added to when 0 is added to any number, okay, again the sum is same. Okay, so there is no change in the sum. So here 21 plus 0, 21 plus 0, then it is equal to 0 plus 21, 0 plus 21. Okay, got it? Now this type of, so 0 here, 0 is called RMT of addition or additive identity. Okay, got it, children? So we'll move on to exercise 3.10. Okay, this exercise. So fill in the blanks. 1 plus 122 plus 128 is equal to 128 plus 122. 429 plus 500 54 is equal to 524 plus 429. So in this way, children, do the sums in your copy. Okay, fill in the blanks also. Again, 232 plus 0 is equal to 232. So here we'll write 671. Okay, so in this way, children, do the sums in your copy. Now worksheet is here. Add 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 657. Okay, so do these, all these sums, do these sums also, all these sums in your copy, problem sums. Okay children, then the activity is there. Use your abacus by adding 3 digit numbers without carry. Okay, so children, this is all about your work. Now one more thing is, children, how to represent the numbers on the abacus. Below, above, which are numbers at the top and which are numbers at the below. Okay, suppose there are two numbers, 215 and 463. We write 215 above and we write below 463. So how to represent it? So 2 is at hundreds place. Okay, so we make two beads over here. 1 is at tens place. We make one bead over here, and 5. 1 2 3 4 5 at ones place. Similarly here also 463. So how do we represent it? 100 place, 4 beads, then 6 beads at tens place, and 3 beads at ones place. Then we'll mix all these rings. Okay, over here. So how these rings will mix it? 100 100, then tens tens, and ones 1. So we'll add these numbers. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so the number will get here 8, 678. Okay, so children, this is all about your chapter. Also in this chapter is completed, children, and in this way, children, you are going to do all these sums in your copy. Okay, so do all the sums in your copy. Your exercise uh, 3.9, 3.10. Okay, in your copy. Okay children, and send it to the WhatsApp. So thank you children, and have a nice day. Okay, we'll meet in next session. Bye beta.